Neil is the tank engine on the railway. He knows Scully and Edward. He also works on the Kirkland mine. He also takes trucks down the line. One day, he was talking to Steamer at the station. I just noticed that you're the engine who went off the bridge because of Stanley. Yeah, but Smudger got me back and he battled out Stanley. At least it was awesome. Yeah. Oh, gotta go. Gotta take some trucks to the quarry, said Neil and started off. See you later, Neil. Neil came to the quarry and back up to the trucks, and 17 was there. He was also taking the trucks to the yard. Neil thought about the trucks and thought about after it. Why should we go with him? We want to go with 17 or Percy. Let's just go already, said Neil. And Neil started off, taking the trucks to the harbor. Neil took the trucks down the line, and it was fine. Neil arrived at the harbor. Smudger was there. He was dropping off some trucks with the crates in. Hey, Neil. Oh, hey, Smudger. Are you the engine who battled out Stanley and got Steamer back? Yeah. At least the trucks are doing fine. Since I went to the quarry, said Neil. After it, Neil took some trucks with the crates, and he took it to the yard. After Neil came to the sheds, Timothy was there. I heard you did fine with the trucks. Yeah, the trucks were just trying to mess with me, but it was awesome. Maybe you could take the coaches later, said Timothy. Neil just didn't notice it. He just noticed it was fine. Yeah, but it's fine, said Neil. And Neil told Timothy about Steamer.